I'm so excited because today we are going to use pan and lid. Yes, we are going to prepare a pizza, but a special pizza. We are going to make a stuffed pizza. Yes, una focaccia farcita. You are going to see. First of all, we have to prepare our dough. And then you have to decide what to put inside. Would you like to have a vegetarian pizza? Or you want to have a cheesy pizza, maybe with, I don't know, ham, tuna, salmon. What do you want to put inside? I'll have to think about it. And then I have to prepare the ingredients. But first of all, as I told you, we definitely have to prepare the dough. This time we are going to prepare a special dough, and we are going to use instead of yeast, because you know that if you go to the supermarket in these days it's very difficult to find the yeast. So we are going to use bicarbonate of soda. Apparently bicarbonate of soda is very useful in the house, in the whole house. You can use it to have a nice relaxing bath, or you can use, if you feel a little bit of stomachache because maybe you didn't digest properly, you can add a teaspoon of bicarbonate in your water. You can drink it and you can feel relief. Then what can you use it for? Yes, you can use it to wash your vegetables and fruit, to make it more clean. Yeah. But today we are going to use to let our dough rise a little bit. It will be not like the pizza dough with the yeast that rise a lot for 2 hours. We are preparing the dough and we are going to leave relaxing for around 15 minutes. So, shall we start? You need flour. How much flour do you need? Let me read. You need 400 grams of flour, 400. So let's get the bowl. Of course, first of all, you have to get ready washing your hands and check all the ingredients that we need. So, you need to have oil, salt, bicarbonate, flour, and warm water. So let's start with the flour. We say 400, okay? 400. Let me see. Go, 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 go. We are going to use plain flour, but you can decide to use other kind of flour. Maybe next time we will try to use a flour without gluten, so everybody can eat it. Let's try it. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. 1, 2, 3, go! Flour and salt, farina e sale, go! Then next it will be our bicarbonate, so bicarbonato di sodio, 1 spoon, un cucchiaino, and go! Everything is white in this recipe, yes! Then I make a hole. You can make a hole with your hands, and inside the hole I'm going to put the liquid. Let me see if I take a tablespoon. I haven't taken a tablespoon, so I'm going to use, instead of 3 tablespoons of oil, I'm going to double it. So 3 plus 3, count it. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 cucchiaini. But if you took a tablespoon, you can put only 3. Okay? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Done it! Now we are going to add water. Water is always better if it's warm. So for the water we need 250 milliliters, so 250 milliliters of water, and we put in. Can you hear the noise of the water? What does it remind you? Do you have the memories of when you went to the beach the last time and you hear the sound of the waves? It was beautiful, wasn't it? I love going to the beach. Are you able to swim? You have definitely go and try some swimming lessons, because swimming is very important for us and it's a beautiful experience, swimming in the sea or in the ocean. It could be amazing. So look, now that we have the dough with all the ingredients, we start stirring and stirring and stirring until we have the perfect dough. When we have the perfect dough that doesn't stick too much, we can leave resting for 15 minutes. So children, after this, you definitely have to decide what to put inside your pizza. And you have to ask your mummies and daddies if they can give you a pan that's, it will be non-stick pan, and the lid, because you need to cover it up. So we are going to prepare a pizza, a stuffed pizza that goes in the pan, that goes on the stove. Alright, so children, I'm going to knead a little bit this dough and see you later when you have been collected all your ingredients to put in the middle of the pizza. I give you some advices. You need something super delicious. Bye, see you in a minute. Your pan, your non-stick pan. I chose mine. Mine is not a big size. You can choose a bigger one if you want. And now we have to start making our stuffed pizza. But before that, I want to tell you that I think this is perfect to play with when it's not hot, of course, because if you have a cat like me, you can get a soft ball and then you can play tennis. So cute. So let's start. Ready? Of course I wash my hands. Have you washed your hands? Have it smell? Good. Let's get the dough that relaxed for 15 minutes. And let's divide it in two. We need two round pizzas, because we want to make the base and the lid. Then I chose my ingredients to put inside my pizza. I chose peppers, aubergine and cheese. And then I also have a little bit of spinach. What did you choose for your pizza? Did you choose something, you know what? If you don't want to make a savory pizza, you can always make a very sweet pizza with Nutella. Yes, you can stuff it with something sweet. Maybe you can use, I don't know, honey, and honey is very good with cheese. You can use honey, pears. You have to cut small slices of everything, like my cheese. Can you see this cheese? I cut it in slices. For the cheese, you can put a cream cheese, or you can put mozzarella. But when you put mozzarella, you have to be very careful because you don't want any water. So before putting it, you have to remove all the juice and the milk that the mozzarella has. Okay? After doing a circle, you have to put in a side, and you have to make the other one because you want to have the base and the top. So you have to make two. And then, as we said, we are going to bake it on the stove in a non-stick pan. I've done the first, and I'm going to do the second. put the lid on top of the base and I lift it and I put it face down inside my pan. Now I'm going to put the lid on and I'm going to put it on the stove. It will be ready in about half an hour. I have to cook 10 minutes on each side. So this is the grown-up thing. When it will be cooked at the bottom, you grown-ups, you have to use your lid and turn it like an omelette. Do you know how to do it? I'm sure you do. And when you smell the smell of cooked, it's done. Yeah, don't burn it. It will be a super delicious finger food for your picnic parties in your garden or a lovely dinner to share with your family. So please let me know how was this recipe. If you like it, why you put it inside our pizza ripiena. And then, if you subscribe in this channel, I can show you other recipes and other things that I've learned in Italy and around the world. Thank you for watching. I love you so much. See you soon. Bye bye from Cristina with lots of love.